control your head.
Just roll up your weed and nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now waste your intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Life prison door give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
This is TEON Allen, aka Spoiled Child. Now, I go call him Robocop because some of the things that I used to do, and him is from Guyana in a place called Linden. But this ex-police here, yo, our dangerous boy. Right now, I feel name a call all over Georgetown, cause him a run a gang named the TEON Allen gang. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I want to talk about Spoiled Child, TEON Allen, and give some insight into what's going on down there in Guyana. Let's go. Now this is Spoiled Child. He was driving with a gun. Him and two other ex-police and somebody informed on him. And him have a little shootout with the police them. And this is him going into custody. This is 2019. This situation happened. Okay? Spoiled Child, it seemed like him have a couple different beef going on. Cause it seemed like him a war with two set of man dog. He's warring with the Mob family gang. And it seems like he's warring with the Cayenne gang. Now, the Mob family gang, they're made up with guys from French Guyana and I guess some locals. And Cayenne is just a name. There's a little country, I think, named Cayenne around Guyana side. So it just seems like the youth Robocop, TEON Allen, aka Spoiled Child, ex-police. It seems like him no want no other man eat food. I mean, it's as plain as day. Now, all the gang member that he's beefing with, they are from the outside of Linden. You understand? So, apparently, him no want nobody else make no food or do certain things. Now show you something about this youth here again. Now I'm giving you guys a little layout of some of the stuff this ex-police TEON Allen aka Spoiled Child. Now if you notice, you see carjacking ring. Now this ex-police is running a carjacking ring, you know, in Georgetown and in Linden, carjacking people. And the police, they caught him and caught up with him. Now, this is kind of crazy. He has gotten into so much trouble, and every time this man goes to court, he gets a bail. On this carjacking charge, this was before the first clip I showed you with him have a shootout with the police. There's another case. Look at this right there. He was arrested with 4 women in a car. So not only is he out there carjacking. He had a pregnant woman in the car with him with 3 other women. So he's using women in the carjacking business. The police arrested him, but yet still he was back out on bail. That's why I say this guy is RoboCop. But I'm gonna tell you guys what happened to him. But I'm gonna break down a couple more stuff about this super criminal out of Guyana. Very dangerous boy, yo. This picture right here, it's showing the mob family gang from in Linden, and they are beefing with TEON, aka Spoiled Child, ex-policeman, you understand? And it's a real serious beef. Now if you look, it says 14 in custody, and the police had raided them, you understand, because the police was trying to put a handle on this gang thing. Now one thing very striking to me now, look at the youth them. All of those guys are some young guys, and even the ex-policeman, you know, because I think he's about 35 years old. This convict, no, let me stop. But Spoiled Child, he is currently in jail, and I'm gonna tell you guys why he's in jail. But he has been battling different gangs on multiple fronts in Guyana, in Georgetown and around Linden. Like I said, the picture earlier, that's the mob family, but he's also beefing with another set of gang, and I'm gonna show you guys the picture of these gang members. This man right here is the leader of the Cayenne gang, Sherwin, you understand? He is the leader. And then you have another set that Sherwin run with. Now him get in some problem because somebody used his car and shoot off a RoboCop, aka Spoiled Child, and some other people, and somebody had gotten killed. I'm gonna talk about that in another video. But this is the leader of the Cayenne gang. Now if you look at this next picture, it shows the police had put out a wanted poster for them, and all of this is happening like in 2019, 2020, you know, and I think some part of 2021. Now this guy, Problem Child or Spoiled Child, I'm mad for calling Problem Child, he did the ultimate thing. Like I said, this is just a real synopsis, an introduction video about him, but he did a real stupid thing, and that's how he ended up in jail. I'm gonna show you what he did. Let's go. Look at the screen in front of you. That Spoiled Child and his girlfriend, Calissa Hunt. Now, there was an incident that happened, and this is the incident right here. The police investigated the crime because apparently he told the police that guys attack him because, you know, he's warring with different sectors of gang, the Cayenne and Mob City, and probably other people. Plus he was doing carjacking, a whole bunch of shit. He got caught with an AK-47 shoot at police. Long story short, he told the police guys rush him at his place and shot his girlfriend and shoot him. He had a superficial wound in his, I think it's left side towards his back. And he told the police that guys came up there, shoot after him, shoot his girlfriend and ended up killing her. Apparently the police went, did some thorough investigation, and he was charged in February of 2020. I think it was February 27th he was charged. So it's been so far 3 years, going on 3 years. And this guy is still in jail. Now, why I say he's crazy, this guy did all sort of stuff. He was out there terrorizing the community. It seems like he was terrorizing the other set of man them. Like I said, the gangs them that he was beefing with, they were made up of guys from different parts of around that region, meaning Suriname, French Guiana, and so forth. But the act that took him down was this murderous act of him killing this young lady. Now, this young lady right here, beautiful young lady, her mother and her family, I think her uncle, came out and made a speech to the media that they warned her about this guy and dealing with him, because everywhere he go, it's chaos and disruption. I mean, y'all see all this stuff that this guy did and beyond. Like I said, there is more information that I could talk about him, but I'm gonna save that for another video. She was warned by her family, by her mother, by her uncle, and for the love of Jesus Christ, this young lady didn't listen, and this is what happened to her. It's a very sad tale. Like I said, as for TEON Allen, aka Spoiled Child, I call him Robocop. He is currently in jail, and I'm doing my research and my intel work to find out what's going on with his case. Last but not least, before I go, I must give a big shout out to the Guyanese police them, because they did a good job on finding out this guy effed up move. You have guys beefing with you, and before you go and deal with the man them, you end up kill your girl because maybe she was tired of the situation or tired of what's going on with you, and you killed her. So in my book, Mr. Spoiled Child is a big time coward, and that's how I feel about this. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I got some stuff coming up on St. Vincent because I want to talk to somebody special in St. Vincent. I'm going to do a video just directly for them. And there's more coming up on Trinidad too, Jamaica, the whole Caribbean. As a matter of fact, the whole world, because there's a story about a political guy running for president in South America, and they assassinate him, and it's a fascinating story because the outcome of the story is very crazy. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.